Showings Thursday and Friday 6/17 and 6/18. Renovated attached brick zero-lot home at end of Quiet Cove in convenient East Memphis location. Vaulted family room west/gas log fireplace, open to dining room. Primary bedroom down west/new bath. Granite countertops, separate. Sinks, tub and shower. 2 BRs and bath west/double sinks up. Convenient laundry next to primary bedroom. DBL garage. Very little yard. Low maintenance. HVAC 2017. Hot water heater 2019. New windows. Major renovation in 2019 west/new kitchen. New floors down and carpet up.